Let's solve this problem. The mean and variance of 7 observations are 8 and 16. So the mean given is 8 and variance is 16. Okay. If two observations are 6 and 8, then the variance of the remaining 5 observation is, okay, two observations are given, say 6 and 8 is given, and the remaining 5 observations say be y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. So what we have to find? We have to find variance of y1, y2, y3, y4 and y5. Okay. So now mean is given of all these 7 values, which is 8. So what we know that, then what we get is 6 plus 8 plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5 upon 7. This is equals to 8. Okay. So from here we get the addition of the y1, y2, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. So summation of I equals to 1 up to 5 yi is equals to, it turns out to be 7 itself 56 minus 6 minus 8. Okay. So what we can do, we can find the average of this. Why? Because we know variance formula is summation of xi square upon n minus x bar square. This is the variance formula. Capital N is the number of entries. Okay. So we will require y bar, means the average of yi, is to calculate the variance of y. Then so here we get y bar, which is nothing but summation of I equals to 1 up to 5 yi. Now we have to divide by 5. So this is equals to, now this value turns out to be 42 and then upon 5. So this is 8.4. So now what we have to find? We have to find variance of y. So now what we know? We know variance of the initial 7 values. So as we know the variance formula, so what we have 6 square plus 8 square plus summation of, I can write in the terms of summation. Okay, so here we have summation of I equals to 1 up to 5 yi square upon capital N. So the capital N value is 7 minus x bar. So the mean of the 7 values, which is 8. So we have 64 here. This is equals to, what is the variance given? It's a 16. This is the variance of the 7 values. Okay. So now what we get from here? We get 6 square plus 8 square plus summation of I equals to 1 up to 5 yi square. This is equals to, is going to be 80 into 7 is going to be 560. Okay. So from here we get the summation of I equals to 1 up to 5 yi square value, which is 560 minus 6 square minus 8 square. So that turns out to be 460. So now we know the summation of yi square value. We know the y bar. So now we can calculate the variance of y. Variance of y is nothing but variance of y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. So now let's call the variance of y as a sigma square of y. Okay, basically sigma y denotes the standard deviation, then sigma y square denotes the variance. So then this is equals to summation of yi square upon 5 minus y bar square. Here I is running from 1 to 5. So now what we get? We get at summation of squares is 460 upon 5 minus y bar. It's a 42 by 5 square. Okay, so this value turns out to be 536 by 25. So now let us see the option. So the option 536 by 25. So the option C is right. Thank you.